what happens when we add a suffix to a word in terms of stress? Three main things can happen. The first one is that the stress doesn't change. For example, child, childhood, friend, friendship, friend, friendly, child, childish. So all these suffixes that we've added to these words have not had any impact on the stress. The second thing that may happen is that the suffix itself takes the stress. Have a look at these words. Employ, employee. Refer, referee. Picture, picturesque. Mountain, mountaineer. So regardless of where the stress was in the original word, the derived word has the stress on the suffix. So notice that how do these suffixes look to you? How do they look like? They look a bit Frenchy, don't they? There's esque, ear, right? So they look a little bit Frenchy, and indeed they come from French, and that's why they take the stress onto themselves, right? The third thing that may happen is that stress changes position in the syllable, not on the suffix itself, but to another syllable. And this is when things become a little bit trickier for us. See what happens in the following examples. Electric, electrician. Politics, political. Economy, economic. Decorate, decoration. Where does the stress go? It depends on the suffix. So there is no pattern, and it really depends on the suffix. Prefixes, on the other hand, don't have any impact on the stress pattern. Yeah, so the stress remains in the same position. For example, mature, premature, natal, postnatal, action, inaction, visible, invisible, and place, misplace. Notice that in the derived words where stress changes, something else may change as well, which is the kind of vowel, or the vowel itself, that appears in the syllables. So notice that stressed syllables tend to have a full vowel, and unstressed syllables tend to have a reduced vowel. Notice that it's not always the case, yeah, there may be many exceptions, but there is a tendency in English to have unstressed vowels in unstressed position, so basically a schwa, and also I and O, yeah? So notice what happens in these words. Photograph, yeah, so we have a schwa in photograph. Photography, now to is stressed and it has a full vowel, whereas it used to be unstressed and had a schwa. Industry, so there is a schwa in the second syllable, and industrial, the vowel changes because now it's stressed. Compete has a schwa in the first syllable, com, whereas in competition, com now has a full vowel. Notice that com in this case is not the main stress, but it has a full vowel. We'll see why in the following video, yes? In the meantime, you can do the exercises on worksheet 2 and practice stress and suffixation. I'll see you in another video.